right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to model for you the two ways in which you can have assignments sent to your students through Canvas. The first one you can actually do right from within TCI itself once the integration is set up. What you do is you go to your assignments or any place where you can assign work to students, which could be their reading, lesson games, assessments, whatever it might be. And here, in this case, I'm going to click Create New Assignment from scratch. And let's say I wanted to assign, I don't know, something from the lesson on the Civil War. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to select what type of assignment. I'm going to say I'm going to assign the reading, and I want them to read the introduction. Then I can determine who, I can schedule, or I can go ahead and by rule, you have to give it a due date. So I'm going to give it today's date. And then you can give it an optional name. Then when you're ready, you click Assign. Now, one note is that once you create your assignments, you should see the little Canvas logos appear there once your integrations are all set up. And then what happens is on the back end, when your students click on their assignments page, they should be able to see those assignments once they've been published. So you can see here, for example, the one that I just created, it's right here. It's put here in draft for me so that if I wanted to rename it, move it around or whatever, I can do that. But I'm going to go ahead and click Publish. Now that's live for my students. When they click in the link on the assignment, it will take them exactly where they need to be. So that's one way in which you can assign it, because this will bring over the reading. And if there were any notes or whatever would be on that one particular web page, it would all be assigned over to that student. Very cool. So there's another way, though, that you can create assignments, and it could be right from within Canvas itself through what we call Thin Common Cartridge. In fact, it's possible through modules that the entire program can be put right within Canvas for you. So when I click on modules, notice right here, all of this content. It is the same content that when I click on my program content is all right here. It's everything. The text, the lesson games, all of that for me is right here. So now let's say I wanted to assign something from within Canvas to TCI. Is we can actually go in and we can say, for example, setting the geographic stage. I can click on this link and it's actually going to open up that assignment right within TCI. So it's that web page, it's right here. And then what I can do is if I wanted to assign this lesson game, for example, I can use the TCI assignment tool, but I'm within Canvas and it still works. Watch. So I'm going to click Create Assignment. And it's going to have this pre-populated information already done for me because I did it at a point of use. I still have the option of determining who and scheduling and then giving it a due date. So I'm going to, again, give it today's date, but then giving it an optional name or information and then click Assign. Now, once I've done that and I go to my assignments area, I should see that that is now in draft form. Here it is. And then remember, you just want to make sure that you publish it for your students before they would be able to then click on that link and have it appear live for them inside their Canvas. So that's how you can use Canvas with your students. It's really easy. We think that you'll love it.